Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you again H4 re-entry setup on USD JPY. I saw this CSM sell on H4 and of course after the CSM there is a re-entry setup on MA5 time high, and you can check H1, the highest area where it touches EMA 50. Why I said EMA 50 and highest area re-entry sell, because it's the same marking area which I marked in H4 MA5 10 high, and it's aligned with EMA 50, so it's supposed to be near to EMA 50 or top BB. And also same area in Bistra, it's 5, it's also aligned with drop is drop. See here, support, drop is drop, and from here it relaxed and also give us bearish engulfing, so I'm expecting that it will come to previous low over here. So whenever you marked area on time frame 1, always check Bistra or EMA 50 top BB or low BB on time frame 2. This is my center count. I deposited $67 and increased to 90, just to increase my liquidity to so I can take more lots and add up more layers. So you can see price already starts reacting, but I can see a minor roadblock down there which I marked the area. Since market already gave bearish engulfings, 2 bearish engulfing, so I'm marking my invalidation zone. If market reverts from this area, I will cut loss, but I'm pretty confident after these 2 bearish candles, market will chase to the previous low. Here is a tip I would like to give you guys. Whenever you marked area on time frame 1, just switch to lower time frame 2, and see the marked area is near to EMA 50 or top BB or low BB according to the direction. Just take it. Negative mentor for margin trader, we always say there is no holy grain strategy. You just need to take a risk. Here in time frame 3, market is a CSK sell, and when there is a CSK sell, there is a re-entry on MA5 time high. So I add up more layers after seeing this CSK sell. Whenever price starts reacting on time frame 1, always switch to lower time frame 1, 2 or 3, and take re-entries until it reaches to the previous low or previous high. So now we'll wait and see how market reacts to the setup. Okay guys, the price react nicely on the setup, and I already start closing my trades through my bot. It's closing automatically. You can see it's MT4. It takes so long time to close the trade, so I used bot to close all trades. I closed earlier because I was about to go outside and I will not be able to close trades from a phone. Here my account balance is 183 and I deposit 67, you can see over here. So I will be posting similar kind of videos like growing small account, deposit $30 or $50 and grow up to 150 and 200, like realistic goals. In this way you can grow your small accounts and make money every week. Let me know if you have any questions. See you until next time. Bye.